We guide you through how to send money via Remitly. First, open the Remitly app or website and sign in to your account. Tap Send Money, then choose the country where your recipient will receive the funds. Enter the amount you want to send, and you'll see the exchange rate, transfer fee if applicable, and the amount your recipient will receive. Next, choose your delivery method, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or home delivery, depending on what's available in your destination country. Add your recipient details carefully, including their full name and any required banking information. Select your payment method such as a debit card, credit card, or bank account, then review all the transfer details to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, tap Send or Confirm Transfer to complete the transaction, and you'll receive a confirmation, and you can track your transfer's progress directly in the Remitly app until it's delivered.